Good morning. This is for Westmore. This is for the Department of Justice. This is for the Maryland Board of Elections. This is for the Supreme Court, a writ of certiorari that I'm getting ready to file. I was making a movie about Baltimore. Get Shorty. See that? I was established in 1997. I came here straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections in 91. I opened up my own business. I own shorties. I own all parts of me. I was kidnapped by the state in Illinois and Maryland because I was exposing the war on drugs and the money you make behind the war on drugs. N62528. Google me. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I started with my face, and I stayed in your face. We're going to go to ddshortman@gmail.com and ddshortman@aol.com. Everything that y'all got in my AOL account that the government closed and seized in 2011, y'all going to have to open up and compare it to the stuff I've been doing, because if it ain't broke, you ain't got to fix it. That's Anthony McCarthy. He know everything about this. He worked at the NAACP. He worked for WEA Radio. He worked with Mark Steiner. All right? I'm a member of Out for Justice. You feel me? See that? 2013. Senator Ben Cardin. I told Ben Cardin I was making a documentary in 2007. It was about the prison industry. Mass incarceration. We're talking about the murder and the death of our kids because we burying our kids. Our kids ain't burying us. And y'all got a problem with that. That's Scott Shellenberger. Like I said, a writ of certiorari. Everything that you got to turn over for the voters. That's voter suppression by Scott Shellenberger. That's voter suppression because in 2011 I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger and 52 members of the Democratic Party. That's the state prosecutor's office and Chief Hyatt. Y'all got criminal charges. This is Fern Shin from the Baltimore Brew. I put this toilet in front of the school board to expose the corruption in the school board. The money y'all was stealing from the black community and black schools. The asbestos and lead. Because I did asbestos and lead in the school. Fern Shin didn't tell this story. Neither did Tim Williams from WJZ. I'm a cook, I'm a chef, I'm a caterer. I've been in y'all's houses. That's Marilyn Mosby. Like I said, everything y'all got to turn over to the Department of Justice. And then you're going to go to the Supreme Court. Maryland law, grand jury, or the Supreme Court. That's Mayor Moxley. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. I had to reinvent myself. I'm back, and I'm better. I'm not bitter. I own me. You're talking about voter suppression, 2022. Because I blew the whistle to the Judge Carrion and the Maryland State Board of Elections, and they got that evidence. So we're going to make sure that you get that. I blew the whistle on Bill Henry and his father. These are criminal charges that I filed. You feel me? Against Scott Shellenberger. That's Shorty's Barbecue. That's Shorty's Catering. And that's Judge Turnbull. Everything to Judge Turnbull you got to get. That's Judge Pearson. You see who that is? You got that? Erek Holder. James Broshin. Judge Bell. And everything Kai Jackson got in Fox 45. You're going to stop demonizing black people. That's Brent Jones from the Baltimore Sun. That's ABC2 News. And that's Governor Erek and Shorty. I'm a black Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. And that's Governor Hogan. Like I said, I was making a movie. That's County Executive Johnny Oleski. You feel me? And it's a time to pee. That's Chuck D. With my toilet. Like I said, art and activism. The art of protest. I protested at the White House. And that's Miss Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Shows you how long I've been doing this. You feel me? Million miles for justice. That's evidence. And that's the Baltimore Sun, and they got this evidence. Because we're going to go to the FCC about you. That's Stephanie, that's Mosby. She getting ready to go to jail for a whole lot of other crimes. That's the visitor's office log to the state's attorney's office. See the date? 2015. I blew the whistle in 2010 and y'all locked me up. ABC2 had it. You feel me? It was about the war on drugs, save a cop's life. It was about Ed Norris and the corruption in Baltimore and how y'all protect it. You feel me? I went home on vacation and came back on probation. And Fox 45 and Kai Jackson and WJZ knew all about it. I got the 2021 Weaver Award because I'm the best of the best in Baltimore. You feel me? I'm the best of the best in Baltimore. That's who I was. This is who I am. I'm still standing. So Westmore, Erek Barron, U.S. Department of Justice, Baltimore FBI, Department of Justice. I own shorties. I own all parts of me. I was insured for $1 million. I want a full and federal investigation before the November elections. We talking about voter suppression. I got a $250 million investment in this. $250 million is the price of my product. Scott Shellenberger stole that. February 2011. September 2011, I was found innocent of all charges. I'm supposed to be compensated for my losses freely, duly, in the expense and the convenience of my government. I'm a free black man. Being black in America 2022. Westmore, what you gonna do?